Okay guys, enough with the boring stuff. Now I'm going to show you the exciting part, the investment portfolios. This is where we're making these incredible returns, and I'm going to show you how to get involved with our portfolios. Okay, so you have the ability to buy and combine as many portfolios as you want to, and each portfolio has a duration of 1 year and will pay out an average of 4 to 6.5% weekly, depending on the portfolio you own. So for example, with the blue portfolio, with only investing 2,430 euros, after a year, you will make an average of 6,299 euros profit. And if you break down the monthly income, it's about 525 euros per month. Now with this example, guys, you're not reinvesting, you're just withdrawing. So if you withdrew your funds every month, you would withdraw around 525 euros per month for the year. And actually you are paid weekly, so you can withdraw your funds weekly into your bank account. If you look down at the bottom, you'll notice we have standard portfolios and colored portfolios. Most investors will not go for the standard portfolio because it only pays out once a year. The colored portfolios pay out weekly. And in the column to the very right of the screen, you'll see commissions of the company. This is simply AGM's commission for managing the fund for you. You'll see with the white portfolio, it's 39% commission, and as you go up, the commissions decrease. Now you can upgrade your portfolios, so if you have 3 white portfolios, you can exchange them for 1 yellow, and of course if you have 3 green portfolios, you can trade that for 1 blue portfolio, and so on. And as you go on in time, your commissions will go lower and lower as you trade up your portfolios. For example, take a look at the black portfolio. You invest 21,870 euros, and your average annual profit will be 68,234 euros. That's 5,686 euros per month and 1,421 euros per week. Now, if you look at the percentages, the white package starts at 4% and the platinum package goes up to 6.47%. The only reason these percentages are changing is because of the portfolio you own. If you look to the right, as the commissions of the companies go down, your weekly profitability goes up based on those commissions. You can literally invest 21,870 euros and a week later start withdrawing approximately 1,421 euros per week based on the weekly profits. And based on the black portfolio at an average of 6% per week, you could theoretically withdraw 100% profit in 17 weeks and still have your initial investment earning you an average of 1,421 euros per week. These numbers are incredible. Now this chart is showing you an example when you withdraw your weekly profits. Now I'm going to show you an example where you reinvest your profits. That's when it really gets exciting. Okay guys, this is a Questra income calculator. This estimates the profit and payouts that you'll earn when investing a certain amount. I'm going to show you an investment here of 900 euros, which is about 1,000 US dollars. Okay, so when I put the number in here, it automatically chooses 1 white and 1 green package. The green package is 810 euros and the white is 90 euros. Now I want to show you guys a certain calculation that I think is a great plan for you to follow. Okay, I'm going to put this over 104 weeks, so 2 years. And what I'm going to do is, let's plan that the first year you leave your money in and reinvest every week. The second year you withdraw 50% of your profits each week. Okay, so I'm going to put a 50% payout from week 53 to week 104. Okay, so the first week of year 2, you start withdrawing 50% of your profits and you reinvest 50% of your profits. You're actually not going to believe the results. If you're a numbers person, you'll know that most people can get about 4% a year maybe in their bank. Okay? It would take you 104 years to earn what I'm showing you that is actually in 104 weeks. Okay, follow closely. So you invest 900 euros, you get one white and one green portfolio, okay? This chart is paying out 4.5%, okay, which is fair for what they pay out. So the first week, 900 euros times the 4.5%, you're going to earn 40 euros. The next week, the same, and the next week, the same. Now, down here on the 4th week, you actually are able to purchase an additional white portfolio because you have over 90 euros in your account. You can see there we were at 81 and then it went to 90 and the chart automatically purchased another portfolio. Now you would have to log into your account and purchase that portfolio in your back office. Okay, so let's follow this down all the way. You can see the weekly payout is increasing and this is the invested amount. So let's go down to week 52. So at the last week of the year, you now have 9,000 euros invested. That's 1,000%, guys, because when you compound 4.5% weekly, it's just astronomical. It's paying you out now 457 euros per week. That's your income. And you have 9,000 euros invested. That's 1 year with a 900 euro investment. Okay, now on week 53, it's going to take half of your weekly profit and you're going to withdraw it. So this chart is showing you that you've withdrawn 238 euros into your bank account, but you're reinvesting the other 238 euros. So you're withdrawing 50% and you're keeping 50% in. Now watch how this grows, guys. Let's continue down. You'll see your weekly payout increases and your invested amount increases. Now as you go up, you will be buying more portfolios and you'll have a different combination of portfolios, always trading up when you can so your percentage commission is lower. Okay? Now let's go to the end of year 2. At the end of year 2, you now have 21,600 euros invested. That's in the account. And you've withdrawn 20,000 euros. You're earning 1,100 euros a week. So from a 900 euro investment, after 2 years you have 41,000 euros. 20,000 is actually in your bank. This 21,000 you could withdraw over time when they expire if you want. And then you've got 1,100 euros per week. Pretty incredible. Now let's see what happens the next year. Let's say if you invested 9,000 euros for 2 years, okay, with the same plan. So you start with 9,000 euros. You literally start earning 457 euros per week income. Let's go down to week 52. You have 144,000 euros invested and you're making 8,800 euros per week. Now you're going to start withdrawing half of that, 4,700 euros to your bank account, and 4,700 euros keep invested. Obviously that's going to grow. You now have 483,000 euros you've withdrawn and 490,000 euros invested with a 30,000 euro per week paycheck. On the Atlantic Global website, they post the last 5 weeks returns, and you can see here 6.14, 6.7, 6.03, 6.41, 7.08. Now, I've been in about 10 weeks now, and they send you an email with your returns and also a text message. So every Friday night, you get a text message to your cell phone telling you of what the returns were that week and how much you have in your account. Now I'll show you how you figure out your net profit payout is 6.14, guys. So if you have the average of all 25 fund managers, which is what I chose, you would have the exact same percentage. So let's say you had a green portfolio, which is 810 euros, which pays 30% commission. If you take 6.14 minus 30% equals, you would have a net profit of 4.30% that week. Pretty cool. The affiliate program. This is for people that want to share the Questra funds. You will make a referral commission for referring the program. For those of you that don't want to refer, you don't have to. This is totally optional, but you can create a pretty large additional income by referring Questra Holdings.